and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this dance starts towards the back center of the dance floor. The leader is going to be on the left, the follower is going to be on the right, and we're just standing hand in hand. We're going to walk forward for 5 counts, both starting with our inside foot, going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now on count 6, we are going to step away from one another. So leader, your weight is going to be on the left leg, follower, your weight is going to be on the right leg. And then on count 7 and 8, leader is going to turn their follower in counterclockwise to finish in a cradle position. So to get into that cradle position, leader, you're drawing a counterclockwise circle with your right arm. Follower, you're taking 3 steps towards your leader, going left, right, left. And you both want to end with your weight sort of on your right leg so that you can move to the left on the next count. Next, we have 2 sways starting to the left, going left, tap, right, tap. And if you notice, as a follower, I'm just a little bit in front of my leader so that I give them some space. If you're side by side, there won't be enough space to do that. So that goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And on counts 5, 6, 7, 8, you're going to do a lean. So from the second sway, you're going to make sure your hips are side by side. Leader, you're going to take a lunge out with your left leg, and follower, you're just going to give the leader your weight. Now you both want to make sure that your chests are open, shoulders are down and back, you're standing up tall. And leader, just making sure the right side of your body has a nice slant to it so that your follower can give their weight to you. So getting out of the lean, leader, with your left arm, you're going to clockwise turn your follower. Follower, you're taking 2 steps, right foot, left foot. That's on counts 1, 2. On 3, 4, we sway towards the audience and then away from the audience, going 3, 4. And we are just hand to hand right there. Lastly, to get out of this hand-to-hand position, leader with their right arm is going to clockwise turn their follower one more time, 5 and 6. And then we're going to do a little free spin to foxtrot frame, going 7 and 8. So getting out of this hand-in-hand position, follower, I'm taking 3 steps, starting with my right foot, right, left, right. And then taking 3 more steps to get back to frame, going left, right, left. Making sure that your right leg is free for the next step.